Students, hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So I just got your result, boss. I was seeing your result. I can check your result. So let the students join first. Let me talk to them, sharing the sheet for you now.
Good afternoon,
I
sir.
just want to say some important things which you have to follow it up in the coming future examinations. So that is the reason why I'm just waiting other students also to join. What, Shishir? What is your mark? 28. What is this, man?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. I'm going to share the same paper to my MR students. Let's see if their score is top. Your score is top here. It is 559 is the highest, I think. So this is the highest total. It's very good, really good. But
Adit-
there are some more important things that I would like to share with the students. Given,
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. चलो. So your offline class is going to start at 1st July.
Sir, which branch, sir,
Sir,
are you taking?
Yeah, let's see. The majority Kukatpalli and Madhapur. Nothing happens. I'm there. I'm in connect with you all. Don't worry. So your
Telegram.
problem help you. No issue at all for everyone. All students who are in the group, they can stay back in the room in the same group. And slowly, I started preparing some videos for you. So I'm just to keep you up completely high
Sir, what's
motivated.
your channel name, sir?
No, no, I'm just preparing some videos. I have added one or two there. I just want to share it to you by adding 10 to 15 videos at a time, na, so that you will get sufficient time. That's the time so that you can see the each and every video very well and you can understand it well, right? So that's the reason. So if almost all 76 students have joined. So I would like to share your result, children. Before that, I would like to talk to those students who did not write the exam, who did not perform well. I just want to know that one first of all. What's the reason behind that? So, students, please, children, don't disconnect yourself when I was talking to you. If it is you have committed certain mistakes, so it's a mistake by you. That's all. So, but this mistake should not be. I think you can see the sheet here, right? So, Aditya Kumar, the topper, the congratulations.
Oh,
Aditya Kumar,
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. No issue at all whether you belong to Kukatpalli, West Maritpalli, Tarnaka, you are
Good
all
afternoon,
students
sir.
of resonance. So big congratulations, but keep the momentum like this. You can't leave the momentum in between at any cost. Remember that.
Thank you, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
that's fine. Very good. Can I see you all once? So because if I see, then at least I can identify you all the people. Yes, Mr. Prabhakar, it takes some time. It is already hardly I have 1 hour. So, mean the time I search you and find you and give you the co-host, it takes more time for me. So that's why. Uh,
sir, how was my innocent face, sir? Failed.
Pardon?
Sir, how was my innocent face, sir? When I'm failed in geology exam.
Pardon?
Sir, how was my marks, sir, in zoology?
Yeah, it's okay. You can see I'm sharing the same sheet. I'm pinning it in the Telegram there. Your result sheet, I received it just now. You can see your result sheet here.
Okay.
So the first was Aditya Kumar from MB Hyderabad Kukatpalli. And the
Aditya
second one
Kumar.
is V. Pravalika, West Maritpalli. Congratulations, beta. Very good. Good
Thank you,
performance.
sir. Thank you, sir.
And C. Praneeth Sai, that is MB Main Road campus. That's good. I am very near to your campus, boy. I stay at Main Road campus. So that's very close there. And the branch that is where you people are going to locate, I'm also belong to the same there. And I'm the main branch का मैं senior faculty हूँ तो मैं वहीं रहूँगा. Okay, just so, but I will be coordinating with you, all the people, all of you. So don't worry. Any kind of help, I'm there to help you. But keep the momentum very properly throughout the year, children. You can't leave it in between like this. Okay. So I want to talk to the students who are underscoring and not attending the exam. Today in the class, I would like to talk to you people about few absentees who are present. See, children, I'm just reading out the name. If you are there, kindly raise your hand. Okay, Shahid Akram Sheikh. If you are there, raise your hand. Chaitanya Reddy, Anishka was absent. So, and Chaitanya Reddy and Shahid, you people have written the exam, but the score is nothing. That is the problem. That's why I called your name. But rest all the people, Anishka, Manisha, Farheen, Begum, okay, Lakshmi, Chandana Reddy, what happened? You did not write one exam, you got it top, and now you did not write the exam. Bhargavi, Sai Bhargavi, Anshuman, Pratapani, Harshita, H Harshita, P Harshita, I think, right? Harshini, again, Aileni, Harshita, okay, Bunny, okay, Manishankar, Muhammad Nafe, Jyotsna, okay, Yashwan, Yashashwini, okay, Vardhan, Sai Vardhan, okay, Gayatri, Meghna Reddy, Yesh Raj, Rohini, okay, Neha, Siri Chandana, Hemant. So these are the students who did not write class. Absentees are 23 children. So definitely, please don't skip the examination. One thing, let me give you very, very clear. If you are there, the names I read out, kindly raise your hand. Let me see you all the people, how many are present. So Neha was here, Lakshmi Chandana, Meghna Reddy, right? Any other Harshita and what else? Siri Chandana, Ye Harshita. Only few of them are present. I request the students not to miss your examination, children. For example, by chance you may miss the class, not an issue. But performing in the exam is not much important. Learning from the examination that you get a very low score is very, very important. So attending exam makes you a very much familiar to the examination. Remember that, children. Reasons, whatever it was not well, it's okay. See, listen, children, you are not well. It is not an issue. There should be a healthy competition in the exam, children. आज चंद्रा ने लाया तो कल एक और तो क्या हर्षिता ला सकती है, हर्षिनी ला सकती है. Okay, Jyotsna can also make it completely. Gayatri can do it. Meghna can do it. Anyone. Okay. It's there should be always a competition. आज तेरा first mark है तो कल मेरा होगा. This should be the attitude for the students in the exam. Remember that. Okay, don't leave until and unless you score it. See, children, you people, some people have got minus here. So in zoology, it is -5 for Vishnu Charan. I'm talking, these are absentees. I request everyone not to miss the exam. See, children, कुछ भी हो जाए, class miss कर गए, notes मिलेगा, पढ़ सकते हो, prepare yourself and you can come back again. But writing the examination, if you miss it, it will be definitely it is just definitely and but simply we can say it is completely a bad impression on you. First of all, children, means If you are not doing it, then you are going to lose the way to evaluate yourself, children. आप अपने आप को evaluate नहीं कर सकते हो, so that will be the problem then. So I suggest everyone kindly attend and don't miss the examination at any cost, children. एक बात याद रखना, हमारी रेजोनेंस में स्टूडेंट्स की मार्क्स की परफॉर्मेंस नीचे ग्राफ तभी आती है. आई एम स्पीकिंग टू यू पीपल इन हिंदी. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. आई एम यूजिंग ए सिंपल हिंदी लैंग्वेज. हैदराबादी है तो तेलंगाना में रहते हो तो एटलीस्ट 50 to 60% थोड़ी बहुत हिंदी समझते हो. तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू conversate you all the people little bit like this. So only one thing I would like to say, don't miss your examination at any cost. ये बात, मेरी बात लिख के रख लो. क्लास मिस कर गए, कॉल मी, टेल मी सर दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम, एक्सप्लेन मी दिस इज माय क्वेश्चन, हेल्प मी आउट. सो दिस कैन बी डन. But missing examination, your evaluation, who will do it? Tell me. How you are performing, how you will come to know. Your parents come to know, and you know first of all what is your position in the classroom there. So these things definitely give you a proper idea that how you are performing, where you have to work, which subject you have to allot more time, so that you can prepare for your examination very very well. This is an important aspect of your exam. I'm telling you on the first because many of our students have done this and they have lost it. आज के दिन में उनका नाम भी याद नहीं है हमें. कुछ ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स भी है हमारे पास जो शुरुआत में अच्छा परफॉर्म करते थे, 2-3 एग्जाम के बाद they started they demotivate themselves every time and they don't write examination to escape from the low score. So this is going to be a drawback for the students here. It's a competition world, children. You compete and crack it. Either you don't crack it, learn from your mistakes. It's a practice session for you. You are going to have a good practice at this time. So this will give you an update every time. कौन से सब्जेक्ट में कितना टाइम देना है, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट आपका स्ट्रांग है, उसके लिए थोड़ा कम दो टाइम, और जो सब्जेक्ट वेरी हार्ड एंड टफेस्ट है उसके लिए ज्यादा टाइम दो. So this is going to be very very crucial for you all the people. ये मेरी बात आप याद रखो, लाइफ टाइम याद रखो, जब तक आप अपने डेस्टिनेशन, द फाइनल गोल टू गेट यू द डॉक्टर एप्रन ऑन योर शोल्डर एंड गेट इनटू टू बिकम ए डॉक्टर एंड कम आउट विद इन द सोसाइटी एज ए ग्रेट डॉक्टर्स. सो उसके लिए पहला कदम है क्रैकिंग द एंट्रेंस एंड गेटिंग अ गुड कॉलेज एंड गेट द सीट एंड जॉइन देयर. दिस इज until then you can't forget it because you willingly have selected yourself to compete with this and you want to become a doctor. That's your passion, all of you. It's your passion, I think, right? So definitely then you cannot. Shishir, yours is 137 position, 30 25 minus 5 26, total 76. Your score is 137. Your rank in the Hyderabad center of resonance, it's 137. So it is not an outstanding activity. I'm telling you, as you asked, I told you. So you can't, okay, you cannot simply quit it, children, okay? So still you find it any difficulty anywhere, I'm there for each and every student. They can come to me and they can definitely make your teacher very much proud, sir. I'm just sharing you the list of this PDF to you all the people because there is no corrections in the paper, I think, right, children? Have you seen the paper? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen the paper?
Yes, sir.
हाँ sir.
Sir, someone came Meghna Reddy.
No need to speak in Hindi. Okay. Meghna, my daughter name is also Meghna. Okay, Meghna. My daughter name is Meghna Shekhar.
Okay, sir. Good to know.
Yeah. My daughter name is also Meghna. I was calling your name. My daughter came and said that why you called me. I said it's not you, it's my student. So keep up the good work. It's okay. No need to interact with me in Hindi. It's no need. You can speak. I'm damn good in my English too. Okay. आपकी सेंटर में 90% फैकल्टी से बेस्ट इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ. I believe it. Okay. बाकी लोग कम नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm just feeling that I'm the best there. I feel that I'm the best because जब तक अपने आप को नहीं बोलोगे, अपने थपथपाओगे नहीं, तब तक you can't go further. That's Understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So these are the students who are absent. So don't miss the exam. And whether you belong to Tarnaka, West Maratpalya, whichever the branch is, I'm not going to leave you and I'm going to help you at any stage. You can contact me, your problems you can share. I can help you and I can sort out your issues and problems related to the subject. Okay, so don't worry at all. And it's going to be, sir, question 146 key is incorrect. You can't say right now, beta, because see, what is the question? Can you read it out, Renuka? Yeah, actually, our management has said to come to the classes. So they requested us to come by the end of this month, so that first onwards there will be partial offline and partial online. Maybe I don't know what is the policy. Management will definitely mention it definitely. Uh, Okay, so they will tell you, they will give you the update. This is the update. I got it at this point of time. So that's the reason I was telling you. But whether I come or whether I don't come, even it is there, if it is an online, so definitely there online class is there, then I am the person to take all the classes. So don't worry at all. Anyhow, okay. Even I'm not taking, I'm there to help you all the people, children. Remember that. So don't leave until and unless you reach your goal and destination at least. Find the odd one out from the following: glutamic acid, linoleic acid, okay, glycine. No, it is not glutamic acid. Oh my God. See, listen, maybe I think I have seen that the question was, I think madam was sharing it at the time. So it's a glutamic. AP student, what about us? AP student. I didn't understand what you want to say. See, children, I told you in the group, see, listen, I told you people to come in the group. Okay, this is, see, listen, whatever is there, you will come to know each and everything. No, don't worry. Okay. And 146, somebody said, Renuka said that. Okay, see, Renuka, you are there in the group.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
You're there in the group, then you did not see my message. Immediately on the next day, I put a message in the class, beta, that any corrections are there, kindly inform me in advance. Kindly share the questions on June 20. I shared the
Already
message.
shared, sir.
Huh?
Sir, already Aditya shared, sir. So I did not.
No, Aditya did not share.
सर मैंने कल शेयर किया था सर. Yesterday I've sent सर. और आपने बोला था कि विधि को सेंड करने के लिए because you made her co-host. तो मैंने उसको शेयर किया था सर.
It's okay. I'm just checking it out. Okay, 160, but I should get more, sir, because I did not do a single mistake. Okay, Ajay, I think, right? Ajay Yadav, right?
Yes, sir, but light, sir.
It's okay. See, listen, children, just you can consider a +4 here. Okay, 1 second. Hello? Yeah. Hello? Hello, tell me. See, children, that's why I have mentioned on that, but you said on that. But you did not mention that this question is there, but I should get more. We did not. Let's see after the paper discussion. So for the paper discussion, the result was announced today itself, and they have waited until yesterday. I requested at least you would have shared the question to me. It's okay. Mistake happened is happened. Let's see. It should not happen again. Who is this? Dharani. So if you have any screenshots of notes from June 3rd, can please send them here. Who is this, Dharani? Are you there?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir, shall we write notes you send it in Telegram once, sir?
Mm-hmm.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, shall we write that Telegram? You send it the notes in Telegram, sir.
Okay. Is the result can be modified or not? Let me check it out. Let me just find it out. One correction. I do one thing. I will just message it. Question number 146 now.
Sir, और भी दो है sir, 167 and 170 also. Can you check it out?
Okay. So you want me to check the paper one? So
Yes sir, एक बार 160 और 167 और 170 check कर लीजिए. It might I will be wrong or not.
Okay. 167. Let me see beta, 1 second. Let me see. Just a moment. Question number 146. All are proteins except, so no, this is not the question. So it will replace it. Just a moment.
Yes, sir.
See, I'm not finding the question paper. Let me see. That is only 1 second. Question number 146 now. Find the odd one out from the following. Linoleic is essential. Tryptophan is essential. Glycine is non-essential, and glutamic acid. Linoleic acid. So A and C for 146. Both answers are the odd one. Okay. So 146. Any other question you are telling?
Sir, 167.
167. Chitin is a. Answer is?
Sir, hetero आएगा ना sir, heteropolysaccharide.
No, chitin is a homopolysaccharide.
Sir, hetero में था ना sir?
No, homo है. Chitin और cellulose homopolysaccharide. Which has
Yes, sir. It's mentioned in NCERT also. Homopolysaccharide.
it is a homopolysaccharide. Next. Any other question? Next.
No, sir, no.
Sir,
Sir, एक बार
177.
sir एक बार 170
Sir,
भी कर
176, sir. 176.
Yes, sir.
A phosphoglyceride is always made up of.
So someone's mic is unmuted, so there's a lot of noise.
Esterified raw molecule to which a phosphate group is also attached. C is an answer.
Sir,
177.
177.
Sir, 170 का क्या है?
176 C is an answer, beta. It can be either saturated or unsaturated. I told you already. So the fatty acid which is going to be attached to the phospholipid, it can be either saturated or unsaturated. It is not a matter. Whether it is attached to the molecule of glycerol and phosphoric acid, the glycerol is attached. One of its hydroxyl group must be attached to the Phosphoric acid, of course, it is further added by nitrogen containing choline molecule. That is
Sir,
175.
175, sir.
175, okay.
177.
175, it is D. 1 second, oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, okay. It should be B, na?
Yes, sir. We have it
Sir,
in
they
our
gave
sheet
like,
as well.
sir, they gave like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then in the options they gave different. Like it's a bit confusing, not for us, but for the computer operators. Sir.
Let me just write it down. Okay. एक मिनट, एक सेकंड लाइन में रहना बेटा आप लोग, एक सेकंड. Just call somebody immediately. 1 second, it's little urgent. Just call. Wait a moment. Just give me 1 second. Okay, 2 questions are there. Na? Yeah, I will share the question paper. Hello, आयशा मैम, एक छोटा सा इमरजेंसी. आज मेरी क्लास हुई है एमबी की, कल नहीं हुई थी पेपर रिजल्ट डिक्लेरेशन से. एमबी की रिजल्ट डिक्लेरेशन के लिए 3 क्वेश्चन जिसमें की गलत दिया हुआ है, तो उसको करेक्शन करवानी है. एमबी में रिजल्ट आपने शेयर करवा दिया, उनको बोलिए उसको रीशफल करनी है. मैं आपको 10 मिनट में आपको मैसेज भेज रहा हूँ, रिजल्ट फिर से एनालाइज करवाइएगा प्लीज मैम. ओके, वी कांट. ओके सर को मैंने बोला है पहले भी. ओके, एक्चुअली फर्स्ट डे ही सारे क्लासेस होंगे तो पेपर डिस्कशन हो जाती है, नहीं है ना मैम? मेरा तो आज है, सो दैट्स व्हाई हो जाएगा ना मैम. आप उनसे बोलिए रिजल्ट में गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए अभी. उसको रिजल्ट फिर से चेंज करवाइएगा. बच्चे सारे यही बोल रहे हैं, 2-3 क्वेश्चंस है जिसका की गलत दिया, हमने चेंज करके दिया लेकिन की गलत आ गई, वही निकल गए. सो कैन यू डू इट ना? ना पेपर अपलोड से पहले रिजल्ट भी जो भी एमबी है ना उसको रीशफल करवाइएगा. उसको रोकिएगा या जरूर प्लीज इमीडिएटली. और 1 मिनट, एमबी और एमपीबी तो मैंने शेयर किया है, एमबी का भी करना पड़ेगा, एमआर एंड एमपीबी का. दैट्स व्हाट. ओके, एमबी एमआर एमपीबी तो मैंने फाइनली अपने एंड पे तो कर दिया है, बचा है एमबी का. श्योर मैम, वेट कीजिए. 10 मेरा 20 मिनट्स का टाइम है, उसके बाद मैं भेज देता हूँ. ठीक है, श्योर. राइट. ओके, right children, so I have just spoke. Just tell me, I'm just sharing you the paper here. 1 second, just a moment. I'm sharing you the paper. I can't share you, but I can show you the paper. That can be done later. I will forward it to you children. That can be done later. One second, send file, a copy. Okay, I'm just sending it on the Telegram. Is it okay? So paper shared, kindly see. Yeah, just go through the paper and just tell me children. Make it fast. Okay, I'm just making a list of it. Question number 146, right? मैगी बेटा 1 मिनट, रफ नोटबुक मिलेगा मुझे? तुम्हारा बुक दे दो ना, ये वाला पीछे लिख लूंगा. ओके, चलो फाइन. So question number 146, right? It can be
Yes,
A
sir.
or C, right? Question number, I have shared you the paper in the Telegram children, kindly check that one.
Sir, 146 B is the correct answer, sir, but in
One
key
second,
they gave
one second.
as C.
Here, let me just share the paper. 1 second, I do one thing. Tell me the question number so that I can go through it and I can discuss with you now. One second, question number. Yeah, tell me one by one.
146.
There is a doubt. Okay, 146 will be rectified now. Don't worry. I spoke to them. A or C is an answer. So I have mentioned it. Okay. And any other question?
Sir, 175.
175. 175. Oh. It's a mistake from my end only. Actually, I have seen on the top four, na. So I took the four option there. Fourth option I have taken as B directly. I think it's my mistake only. So 175 answer is B, right? It is B, the correct options. Right? Any other question? Tell me. Hello?
सर 146 का आंसर क्या होगा सर?
146.
146. It's B, sir.
It will be B now, sir.
146. See, actually, glycine I have selected, but glutamic acid it was replaced actually. But I don't know how it has come there. So we
Sir,
have
all
a
three
two
are
options.
proteins now, sir.
So it can be this is 146 के लिए ये और C के बजाय बोनस ही डिक्लेयर करते क्योंकि वहां पे दोनों भी ऑप्शन रेडी है, इधर ये दोनों भी नॉन एसेंशियल है, एक दो
Sir,
एसेंशियल।
option should be B, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Option
option
should be
No,
should
B.
be B, sir.
option 146 it is the bonus children because no option is going to be accurate there and two answers are there number one. So that's why. So 146 will be a bonus. 175 the correct option is B. 175 का
Sir,
गलती
175 B ही है,
और
sir.
कुछ any other question? Any other question? Headphones में अब बाहर बैठ के
Sir, even if they change the key also, our marks will increase in the portal or what?
yeah, it will open, it will, and that's why I'm not sharing now. I have removed the share now because rank will be changed and marks will be changed definitely.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Question number 1 point will be changed once that later it will be shared to you again. So any other question?
No, sir.
Yeah, any
No,
student
sir.
have a doubt in the question, kindly share it. Thanks, Renuka. Thanks for reminding.
Sir, 170 question is doubt, sir.
Listen my words carefully, children. Whenever your exam is over, what you have to do is immediately write your exam. After that, any question you find it difficulty or you find it that this is going to be a wrong one, multiple options are there, kindly take a snapshot, share it in the Telegram here immediately. I will check it and tag me there so that it will be showing to me very clearly. Pin the message or forward this message to Vidhi also at least. She will also see that.
Sir,
Okay.
doubt in 139 question, sir.
Huh?
Doubt in 139 question. 139
Wrong question, sir. Once.
139. Okay, I do one thing. I am going on saying the answer. Kindly tick that one, right? 139. If the amino acids are coiled upon each other and the distant amino acids are brought very close to each other to form active sites belongs to. What is the answer? Anyone can say.
Sir, C, sir.
Tertiary structure, sir.
Tertiary.
Tertiary structure.
Tertiary structure.
But not answer B, sir.
No, it's C.
Sir, once please explain 175, sir.
175, it is B is an answer. Fourth option is the right one, na basic. Extra amine group is present there.
So can you explain 177 question?
Yeah,
sir?
sure. Why not? 177.
Yes, sir.
Oh, 177 को ऐसी कौन सी प्रॉब्लम आ गई है? 1 मिनट. Which of the following biomolecule does have a phosphodiester bond?
Yes, sir, got it. I read it wrong question.
Yeah, definitely. I'm sharing it to you. Just
So 174, sir.
174. It is adenylic acid adenosine with glucose phosphate is wrong option.
Sir, 141 एक बार देखिए sir. Doubt है 141.
Contains an hydroxyl group and an acidic group anyway. Phosphoglycerate, phosphorylated glycerate found in cell membrane. That is right. Palmitic acid fatty acid with 18 carbon atoms. Adenylic acid. Adenosine.
Sir, it will be option D, lecithin.
क्या?
174 it will be D, no, sir. Basic thing.
The B also, sir.
No, no, no. Glucose phosphate. Glucose is wrong, na?
Yes,
Glucose
sir.
nahi hai na, it will be right.
Glucose should not be there, na? Inorganic phosphate should be there with adenosine.
Option D is correct, sir.
Option D, sir.
Or it is 80 with adenosine, adenyllic
Yes, sir.
acid.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and alanine amino acid, so C is also wrong there. So only option we have is a D. Question number 177, somebody have asked. Let me clear that one. Which of the following biomolecule does have a phosphodiester? See, what is phosphodiester bond, children? Phosphoric acid and a sugar, right? And a nitrogen base, right? Nitrogen base somewhere here. Okay, so this is the bond you will be seeing it, right? Similarly, it is sharing its bond. This is phosphoric acid. Here it is sugar. It is sugar. It is nitrogen base, right? And this is one more diester bond. It is, say, one more. From here, it is attached to one more phosphoric acid, right? This is phosphoric acid. And again, it is sharing a bond with the another nucleotide sequence here. Right? Right? This is phosphate, right? This is sugar, right? This is nitrogen base, right? Now you tell me, so what is the bond that is existing between sugar and phosphate group? What is this bond? Tell me, children. This is we call it as ester. We call it as
Ester bond.
ester bond, right? And this is also an ester bond. This is also an ester bond. Okay, and the bond that is shared in this nucleoside has what nucleoside is having? Nucleoside is having this one. This is This is nucleoside is having, right? Phosphate and sugar together, right? What they have ester bond. They have diester bond. They have ester bond and diester bond. You got it? Two nucleotides are sharing a single phosphate with two ester bonds. Diester and ester are present here. So we can take that. It's a logical question, that's all. So which of the following molecule have a phosphodiester bond? Nucleotides in a nucleic acid. This is ester, this is diester together. So this is a diester bond. Two nucleotides को एक phosphoric acid अपने end पे ester bond के जरिए join कर रही है. Means two nucleotide sequence in a DNA have a single diester bond here, which has two ester linkages here with two different nucleotides. Got it, children? So C will be an answer for 177.
So can you explain 151?
151.
51.
Right.
Yes, sir.
The inorganic compounds like sulfate, phosphate, etc. found in. What are sulfates and phosphates? These are micromolecules. Please, children, see potassium, sodium, okay, calcium, okay, glucose, simple molecules, amino acids, okay, and nucleotides, okay, nucleotides. Any simplest molecule, even not of this.
Sir, this question is direct from
sulfates, okay, bicarbonate. So all these are soluble inside the acids here. They become a part of filtrate. So what you can say? See, children, I discussed with you nucleotides, amino acids. It does not mean that rest of the things will not come. I have also discussed with you Okay, ASH test. I have discussed with you at ASH test. In this ASH test, I told you, you have to, there is a two weights of a living tissue. When a leaf is dried, it loses water, right? After losing water, what is present in that? Hydrocarbons, okay, organic as well as inorganic molecules are present. So when you burn it, what happens? All the organic molecules are used up in the form of CO2 plus H2O, and lot of amount of energy is liberated, used with it, heat energy. What is left is an ash. Ash has inorganic components. What are they? Nitrogen, sodium, potassium, okay, calcium, any other, depends upon the type of tissue that is. So they have phosphates also. Phosphates, sulfates, all these we can. Next, question number Hemant. One of the following is almost not found in living organisms. What is almost not found in living organisms? Silicon.
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 Silicon. It is present very, very small amounts. Kindly check the table that is given. I told you, kindly concentrate on NCERT. Word to word check कीजिए और मेरी notes check कीजिए. आपको पेपर आसानी से कर पाओगे. मैं बता रहा हूँ. That's what.
Sir, once 170 question.
See, question number 149. It is silicon is an answer. A is an answer, children. Any corrections there? Any corrections in question number 149? Hemant?
No, sir.
Okay, and question number 141. Shishir, question number 141. The formation of protein can be considered as, see children, on the first day itself I told you,
Dehydration synthesis.
dehydration and synthesis, not analysis. Analysis होगी तो उसके बारे में स्टडी करना होता है. फॉर्मेशन को आप सिंथेसिस बोलोगे. This is to confuse you. It's a technical word. Hydration is adding water. Dehydration is removing water. Yes, any more questions?
Sir, once 170 question.
Question number 170. Find out the incorrect statement of proteins from the following. Proteins with prosthetic group. Oh my God, why they were kind of man. Okay, proteins with prosthetic group are conjugated proteins. We discussed. Can I show you the slide once? That will be better now.
Yeah, sir.
आपको स्लाइड ही दिखाना बेहतर होगा ना, क्योंकि डिस्कस किया हूं, आप लोग मान ही नहीं रहे. So it's better to explain you that one by showing you the slide that I shared with you. That's better, I guess. Here. 1 second. Just be stay. Even class खत्म हो गया तो भी थोड़ा देर बैठ जाओ. Okay, I'm just sharing it to you. I think you can see this, right?
Sir, actually, I know the answer. It's B. I have picked the correct one, but I want to know the egg. Albumin is simple protein which is coagulable. What's the meaning of this coagulable?
That's what. Okay, it's okay. Sorry. Then
Sir,
chalo.
can you repeat it that key question, sir? I will match this one, sir.
Yeah, listen. Let me explain question 170. After that, if you have any doubt, you can just speak it out. Okay. Just a moment. 170. Find out the incorrect statement. Correct statement is 3. Protein with prosthetic group. With prosthetic group means non-protein group. Anything is, we can call it a conjugated. That is true, right?
Yes, sir.
Conjugated protein, that is true. Correct statement. In order to qualify protein, it must have minimum of 50 amino acids, and it possesses homopolymer or heteropolymer? Hetero, not
Hetero. And it should have 20 amino acids, not 50. So it's wrong.
Minimum 50 must be there. It can be plenty. In order to qualify, if you want to say anything a protein, how minimum number of amino acids are required? 50 is required. I told you the statement was there already. Kindly check the notes. You will find it out. And One more, egg albumin is a simple protein which is coagulable. Yes, egg albumin इसमें प्रोटीन है, ग्लोबुलर प्रोटीन है. अगर इसको हीट करोगे तो कोआगुलेट होती है. कुछ ऐसे भी है जो कोआगुलेट नहीं होती है, जैसे कि हिस्टोन. When n number of amino acid joins by peptide bond forms a protein molecule. So all the three options A, C, and D are right. B is an incorrect one. Homopolymer is wrong. It is heteropolymer. So that's why it is an incorrect option, and I ask you to tick the incorrect option only. So that is B is an answer. Question number 170. Any doubts? Any more? Shishir, you are asking something.
Sir, D is the wrong answers. Wrong statement, sir.
No, when n number of amino acids joined by peptide bond forms a protein molecule. Is it not right? Amino acid 1 joins by a peptide molecule. Okay. So that joins by a peptide bond forms a 2 amino acid, means that is monopeptide have. Okay. And similarly, amino acid 3 dipeptide, amino acid 3, 4, like this n number. We can call it as a protein molecule also. I am
Yes,
not
sir.
saying that 50 is a minimum qualification. I am not saying that 50 only will make protein. Kindly read out my statement very carefully. See, a simple logic will be there in certain statements like this, very close to each other. So you have to look into the grammar, the word that what is asked there. Very clear. So answer for this is B. There is nothing to discuss in this question. Question number 170. Any more question? Any more?
No, sir.
Sir, can you repeat the wrong error key one, sir?
Key for question number 170.
170, sir.
Yeah.
Which is that it is incorrect and correct in NCERT book, sir.
I am putting question number. I am saying the key. Listen my words. Question number 136. Hydrogen bonds B. 137 pseudoheptulose 7 carbon D. 138 it is a fatty acid with 18 carbon MUFA bolte oleic acid B. That is the key word there. 139 scientific tertiary structure C. 140 proteins are conducted in the body in the form of enzymes, children. 140 enzymes. All proteins are enzymes, but all enzymes are not proteins. Sorry. So all enzymes are proteins, but all proteins are not enzymes. So what actually living system में क्या है ये पूछा गया. Question is in the living system proteins are conducted in the body. Body आपकी body के अंदर proteins किस form में generally होती है? Enzymes के form. ये बात है. This is the question actually. Formation of protein can be considered as hydration, synthesis. Yeah. And which element is normally absent in proteins? Phosphorus is normally absent. Carbon is present, hydrogen is present, nitrogen is present, but phosphorus is maybe missing definitely in protein. 143 protein abundant in human body is collagen. Which of the following disaccharide gives 2 molecules of glucose on hydrolysis? Is maltose. Okay, maximum percentage of which component is present in cotton? It is carbohydrate. Find out the odd one of the following. It is a bonus for you here. 147, because A and C are correct and B and D are correct. Two options cannot be given. So all the 4 is going to be, it's a bonus for you, everyone. Either you attempt it, you do not attempt it, you get a bonus plus 4 there. 147. Question was not changed, right?
The 146C came it since 146C answer.
146, C cannot. C, A can also be an option, na?
Yeah,
Glutamate
but in
is also
portal they gave C, sir.
Can also be an option, sir. B.
A and C both are non-essential. B and D are both are essential. So,
But in portal they show only C, sir.
then Shishir, my intention is to ask you, what is odd one? Odd one, if I am all essential, then I am asking non-essential.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Sir, B
Excuse
is
me, sir.
fatty acid. Rest all are proteins, no, sir. We
Sir,
can take
B is fatty acids and all are amino acids, sir. So the answer is B, no, sir.
No. ये भी हो सकती है ना.
Sir,
Better
majorly it will be
better go for a bonus value this time. I have answered very well, but maybe a question पे मैंने ये point पे ध्यान नहीं दिया होगा. So
Sir, 146 in portal key shown is C, sir. Still checking question paper keys.
146 C was the answer, na? If it is a B answer, I would not have changed this. If that as it is C answer, so that's why it's a bonus, children. Okay, it's from my end, ना? Marks मिल रहे थे, क्या problem है आपको? ये mistake हो गई है, वहां से कोई ना कोई question गड़बड़. Typing में problem and one more question was changed, but
Sir, key question paper में keep है ना sir, वो भी with
question
same
number
बोल रहे हैं sir.
147. Shishir, stop talking. It is also a bonus because we never discussed the examples here. It is there in your book, but these examples was not discussed, I guess. Insulin is a hormone, everybody knows it, but rest of the things. Question was changed, but the person did not done it. 147. It's again a bonus. Question number 147 is a bonus. If any student have done it or not done it, will get the mark. Okay, any more? See, actually, questions I have made it.
Attempted B, sir. Sir, the answer is B or not, sir, in 147.
Yes, listen, the student who got 160, hello? Yadav.
Yes, sir.
A student who got 160 by 180. Who is that?
It's me, sir.
Okay, listen. So the paper I shared to you and the paper you attempted, both are same or not? First of all, you tell me that.
Yes, sir.
100%?
No, sir. No, sir. Four wrongs happened, sir. Except 175 and 146. Rest two are wrong.
147 is same that I shared right now, and you attempted it. Both are same or not? Question
Sir,
number,
what is the actual option of 147, sir?
So
Huh?
147 is the same question which you shared and we wrote, sir.
Yes, sir, it is same.
actually, I changed
Sir?
the question.
Sir, what, sir?
Sorry, listen. It is not your mistake. It's a mistake from EDP. They did not change it, the question. I have changed it for them and sent it for them. Let me talk today only. Okay, anyhow, I'm allotting a bonus. Let them face the problem. Na? Let them have a bonus for them. Let them have their problem.
Sir, 22, how many marks you are converting mine?
And question number 148 is also not changed, no?
No, sir. It's also not changed.
It's the answer is D, sir, in 148. Sir, my marks is 128, sir, if you add this bonus means, sir.
Just a moment. I'll do one thing. Let me check it, children. See, listen. Many questions were changed, many were not changed. Let me check it. One more question. 148 is also I have changed and given for them, but they have contributed the same. So living organisms have more calcium, magnesium, sodium in them than in animate object. Living organisms have more. No, 148. I think I kept it as it is. Sample of living tissue. $148. Okay, I'm just reshuffling it. 146, it's a bonus. And 147 will be definitely 100% bonus because we never discussed the example.
लॉजी में क्रिएट आ रहे हैं
146 is a bonus. 147 will also be a bonus because these examples in proteins we never discussed.
Sir, but it's direct from NCRT, sir. One table is there in
Direct from
NCRT.
NCERT, I know. Listen, children. Whether you people read these examples or not, I don't know. Okay, anyhow. So let's see. Okay, let me just communicate with them because it's actually I changed the question, but the EDP people they have taken their own question by themselves. It is my paper. Paper should be as per me. What I instruct that should be there. So let me check it with them. I will deal with them. You don't worry. ओके बोनस आया तो आया ना आपको मिले सबको भी मिले तो अच्छी बात है कोई बात नहीं
Sir, so will I get 10 marks?
हाँ
10 marks.
No, 148
8 marks will be added
148
8 marks will be added
Sir, but we'll get 2 minus marks, no, sir.
what
Those will
are
be
to be
deducted.
added. Okay, listen, 175 answer is B, that is a correction going to be done. 146 is a bonus and 147 will be a bonus, these three.
Okay, sir. For me, 147 is already correct, sir. So 146 and 175.
Okay. Right. Okay, children. So these are the questions. I'm just sending them once. Okay. Anyhow, so tomorrow in the class we will discuss. Okay. Day after tomorrow our class continue enzymes part, and the coming week the syllabus for your examination will be
Structural organization in animals.
next week.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Next
sir.
week,
Yes,
whole
sir, that's what I
biomolecule.
But not the whole lesson, only epithelial tissue and one more tissue, sir.
Corrective tissue.
Okay. Anyhow, so syllabus cannot be done. Anyhow, I will speak to them. Don't worry. Okay, it's my turn. So don't worry.
So no, only biomolecules again. Every full chapter.
तो आपको जब तक सिलेबस आगे नहीं बढ़ेगी तो इसी सिलेबस से ही पेपर होगी ना, राइट? Until the syllabus is not progressing further, the same will be there. Okay. Next time I try my best to conclude enzymes so that all biomolecule. Next exam will be enzymes part. Okay, we take nucleic acid which is difficult for you. Okay, we take amino acids which is little difficult for you. Lipids we will take it again, and enzymes we can take it like that. Okay, let me see whether paper is sent by the that is from quota or not. Let me check it. If it is not, then we will take care. Otherwise, quota will prepare. So let's see whether syllabus is matching or not. Let me. Okay, right, children. Anyhow, these are the corrections I am just going to make.
Yes, sir.
147 is a bonus and 175 is B option. That's all.
Once more repeat it again, sir.
Huh?
Once more repeat it again, sir.
146, 147 bonus boss.
Sir, can I leave?
175 is a answer is B there instead of D. That's all. Okay. Anyhow.
Sir, by tomorrow we'll see the changes in results.
Yeah, these are the changed key. अरे यार कितने बार repeat करूँ यार मैं बता रहा हूँ ना.
Thank you, sir.
Just a moment, 1 second. Anyhow, I do one thing. I will just send the message to you all the people instead of, okay. Question number 151, you want an answer, Girish? Grishma. $151, it is A beta. Acid soluble pool because sulfates, phosphates, potassium. So that will be answer. Grishma. I think she left, I guess.
Shall we leave, sir?
Huh?
Shall we leave, sir?
Yeah, you
Can
can
we
get
leave,
over. Nita. Any
Thank
doubts?
you, sir.
Stay back.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sir. Thank you.
Thank you.